Hi everyone! So I received these products from BeeBeeCraft and I saw a video on Instagram and I can't remember who posted it, but it was really cute. She took a ring and then made a stacked Christmas tree. So that's what I'm going to try to attempt to do with these items that were sent to me by BeeBeeCraft. So this is a little earring set right here. And then these are just some beads that came in. These were 6mm for 95 cents for 200 pieces. So we're going to use that. And then I have this green wire from my stash. So we're going to use this as well. And we're going to try to make a little Christmas tree using this gold ring. And then for my star, this kit actually came with some little gold stars. So we're going to use that also. So wish me luck. I hope I can recreate this. So I'm going to take some wire. Now I have to figure out how tall do I want this to be. And then I have to leave enough room so that way I can wrap it around the base of the ring and at the top. So I'm going to cut more than what I think I need. And we're going to cut right here, which I'm going to guess is like 5 inches. So I'm just going to cut a few strands and then we'll be back. So I cut off 5 pieces of wire. Now what I want to do is wrap it around the wire or this ring here. So let's see if I can make this look nice. So here is my ring that came in that earring kit. I am going to wrap the wire maybe 2 times, I think, and then I'm going to wrap the remainder around this piece of wire right here. So I'm just going to push that together. I'm going to use this plier to just kind of pull that tightly there. And then when I bring this back up, I guess I could just cut it off. You know, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to just cut it off because I was going to wrap it around here, but I think it's good enough that I could just cut it off. So I did 3 around. Then I'm going to cut that piece off. So I now have this pointing up like this to make my tree. And then I think I'm going to do 1 green. And then do I want to do like 1 green and then 1 colored pearl so it's like the ornament? So let's see. We'll put this like purpley color. Like that. And then do we want like 1 or 2 greens? And then we could do another ornament. I want to do the same color. We'll put that and then we'll do 1 more green at the top. Then it depends on how tall we want these trees also. I think I'll do another. So another bead. And then do we want like another 2 like that? That'd be a pretty big tree. I kind of like it. So we're going to do that. And then now looking in here, I'm not going to have enough of these greens. So I'm going to need to pull out the other kit that they sent me. So I also have this kit. This was a bracelet kit, but it has those same beads right there. So I'm going to need both of these to complete my little trees that I'm going to be making. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to go through. I'm going to put the rest of these together and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I have 5 different strands on here, but as I was working on it, you can see that they shifted around. So now I just need to move them back into place. And I want to see, do I want 5 strands or do I need to go ahead and do 6? And then I need to figure out, is this even looking like a tree, or am I not doing this correctly maybe? So I just need to play with them, figure it out. I think it looks pretty good. They would just stay in place and cooperate with me. So with this, I started twisting them within themselves because I was trying to clip this to keep the beads on, and it popped off a couple times. So once I had 2 done, it was just easier for me to go ahead and just tie them together to stay in place. So here is my little beaded tree. I think I am going to leave it like this. So now I'm going to take these extra wires and just really twist them on there. I think like that should be good. Then I need to figure out, how am I going, let's see, but it twisted them down here. So now I need to fix these. There we go. I just need to play with the wire a little bit, it looks like. There we go. So there's my tree. And I figure out, how am I going to put my star on? So I think if I just take like just 1 strand, then let's string the star on there. Oh, there we go. Then now that's going to fall there. So we want this to fall into place right here on top, and then I'm going to retwist this one with the other ones. So there's my tree with my star right here. And then what am I going to do with all this? Okay, I just wanted that nice and tight. I'm going to cut that little extra off there. And since we do have this here, let's start our loop. Oops. They're going to cut these extras off. Oh my gosh, I think that came out cute. I like it. So there is my little tree. And I do have my little loop right here on top, so I could go ahead and just hang that. It's kind of long though, isn't it? I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to stop playing with it before I end up messing it up and I don't like it, because right now I do like it. So here is my little beaded Christmas tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will leave a link down to all of these products. All of these came from BeeBeeCraft, and I do have a coupon code with them, and I'll share that with you guys down below. All right, bye guys.